Hey everyone, my name is Ty from Software Ace, and in today's video we're going to be looking at an AI copywriting tool called Frase. And in this Frase tutorial and review, I'm going to show you what Frase is, how it works, and by the end of this video you will know how Frase can work for you and if it is the right tool for your needs. And if you're thinking about getting started with Frase, I've got a super special 60% off coupon for you. So if you like saving money and lots of time writing new content, be sure to use the link in the description below. So first of all, what is Frase? Well, Frase is an AI copywriting tool that helps you research, write, and optimize high-ranking SEO content in just minutes instead of hours. This high-tech AI product is perfect for SEO managers, content writers, bloggers, influencers, entrepreneurs, and marketing teams who want to grow their businesses quickly and efficiently by creating optimized content briefs, product reviews, articles, and blog posts much faster than ever before. Quickly then, let's get into it, the Frase review. Okay, so first, I want to start here at the Frase homepage, and what I want to do is go through some of the features of Frase, and then we'll go through the pricing plan options for you guys. So what we're going to do first with Frase is to create a full-length article using the AI built into Frase for you guys. So I'm going to give the AI a prompt here, and we're going to use topic I think everyone can relate to because everyone breathes air. We're going to find the best indoor house plants for clean air. Now how the AI in Frase works is it's going to Google the top highest ranked articles for that search query. Okay guys, you can see all the search results here, ranked 1 through 20. And I'm going to show you guys the most simple and fastest way to create an article using Frase. So we're going to click on outline here, and then we're going to say generate heading ideas with AI. And Frase is going to take a few seconds to do its thing here. Okay guys, now that Frase has generated its outline ideas, as you can see here, it's done a pretty good job. Showed us the 20 best plants for cleaning indoor air, what to consider when choosing a plant, the benefits of indoor house plants, where to place the plants in your home, and then a bunch of different, got a duplicate here of a bunch of different species of plants. Okay, so it did that part for us. Now we're going to have it draft an article for us. And we want it to write an introduction and subheading transitions. And now we're just going to give it a few other keywords to help it, write more engaging and accurate content for our purposes here. Paste a few of those in, and now I'm going to let it generate an AI draft from the outline that we've just created in just a few short seconds here. Okay guys, about 15 seconds later, Frase has started outputting this full-length article, custom written, based on our outline prompts and headings that we've given it a few seconds ago. So just like that, you can have an entire article written by the AI. And it's going to be all unique content that you can use on your website, blog, channel, whatever you like. Just going to paste it over into here. Show you how many words we've got here. Benefits. So yeah, it's going to be a full-length article, guys. It takes a few more minutes before it writes fleshes out the prompt underneath every single header we gave it, but it's going to be 1,500 to 3,000 word article by the end here. And it'll just write as long an article as you want based on the amount of subheadings that you give the AI. So it's really cool, guys. We've already got this outputted in just a few minutes, whereas in a traditional writing approach, it might take you an hour or even more. Okay guys, so here we are back on the Frase dashboard, and I just want to show you guys a couple more radical tools that Frase can do. And one of them is to help you generate YouTube video idea topics. And let me demonstrate what I mean here. So keeping on the healthy indoor plant topic here, I'm gonna see what the AI can generate as far as YouTube video titles go for keeping your plants alive and healthy here. And I think the creativity being set to 4 would give us a little better of a boost here and better results. So let's see. So about 5 seconds later, you can see Frase spits out some pretty unique and awesome results with the creativity turned up to high, such as exploring different types of plants and pots, DIY plant food, how to make your own at home, which is really interesting. I didn't even know you had to feed your plants. And then creating a vertical garden, how to transform your space into a plant haven. See, now that's really interesting. I think we should go along with that one and see how we can branch off of that into some other tools that Frase has. So now we're going to branch into another AI tool on Frase, the How to Blog Post tool, to show you guys how you can actually generate an entire how-to blog post using Frase. So taking the results from that last YouTube tool, YouTube video title tool, we're going to just paste those into the title prompt, and Frase is going to generate an entire blog post about creating a vertical garden, how to transform your walls and any vertical space you have in your house into a plant haven. Sounds pretty cool. So look at this, guys. Simply amazing. About 12 seconds later, an entire blog post, literally step by step on how to create a vertical garden, has been created by Frase. You can simply copy and paste this onto your blog now, saving so much time and energy, guys. And this is only one of just several tools that are available here, like a full article writer, blog introductions, blog title ideas, Instagram, captions, pros and cons, list generator, metaphor and analogy generators. Like, you guys, there are so many options here about, different tools that can be used for people that aren't that creative or are experiencing writer's block or anything like that. If you just have trouble coming up with names, like, this tool is just incredible for that. So there's plenty of different ways you can use Frase. So here are the pricing options for Frase, guys. $15 a month for a solo plan. And if you want unlimited AI generated words as well as other premium features, the add-on is $35 a month. And like I said, with my special link located in the description below the video, you get a 60% off your first month on any of these prices here. So most people, solo is going to be great. Plenty of words per month, one user. And also don't forget, you get a 5-day trial to check out all the features and use the tool to its utmost capabilities for only $1. So there you have it, guys. That's Frase, and as you can see, it's very easy to use. The tools the service provides are wide-reaching and invaluable, and if you're looking to grow your online presence and save time by streamlining your SEO content workflow, Frase is simply the best tool out there for the job. If you liked what you saw in the video and are now thinking about getting started with Frase, you want to use my 60% off link in the video description below to save yourself up to $55.99 a month off the most expensive plan. And you'll also be helping to support the channel. So there you have it, guys. That's my Frase tutorial and review. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos. Thanks everyone for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.